Absolutely gorgeous 2 years new 4+1 bedroom, 5 bathrooms brick and stone Fieldgate home in Stouffville. Large amount were spent on upgrades, hardwood floors throughout main floor, laminate floor throughout in basement, upgrade kitchen with granite countertop, center island, stainless steel appliances, family room with gas fireplace, laundry located conveniently on main floor, fully finished basement. In-law suite 1,050 square foot with separate entrance, kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Recreation room with gas fireplace. Direct access to double garage with 4 cars driveway. No sidewalk, close to all amenities. Extras: 2 stainless steel fridge, 2 stainless steel built-in micro-oven, 2 stainless steel gas stove, 2 stainless steel dishwasher, 2 washer and 2 dryer, all electric light fixtures, all window coverings, 2 garage door opener and 4 remote, gas burner and equipment, central air conditioner. No need to look further if you are looking for a beautiful home in a peaceful neighborhood.